Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. I am a self-professed self-improvement junkie who has read hundreds of self-improvement books over the last 20 years. Some of them have given me incredible insights while others have been not so good. All of them have helped develop me into who I am today. So, narrowing my list of self-improvement book to a list of my top 5 has not been easy. Each of the books on this list has had a huge impact on me, and I am sure that they will have a huge impact on you too. Hello friends, and welcome back to my another video, and today I am here with 5 of the best self-improvement books of all time. So without taking your much time, let's start the video. So, the first one is How to Win Friends and Influence People. It isn't what you have or who you are or where you are or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. How to Win Friends and Influence People was written by Dale Carnegie and published in 1936. Since then, over 15 million copies has been sold worldwide, making this one of the best-selling book of all the time. In 2011, it was number 19 on Time magazine list of the 100 most influential books, proving that this book is as effective now as it was in 1936. It will teach you how to improve your social and communication skills in ways that will not only make you more likable and more successful. It really is the only book that you need to be more successful. Second book is Think and Grow Rich. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. Think and Grow Rich was written by Napoleon Hill in 1937, and it was promoted as a personal and self-improvement book. Since then, it has sold more than 100 million copies worldwide, and it remains a top-selling book. Business Week magazine bestseller list ranked in the 6th best-selling paperback business book 70 years after it was published, and is currently listed on John C. Maxwell's A Lifetime Must-Read Books list. Don't let this book title fool you. While a lot of the text is related to becoming rich, it can help you succeed in any line of work and become anything you can imagine. Think and Grow Rich is one of the most influential self-improvement books ever written, and it has changed the lives of millions of people, and it will change yours too. So now, the third one is Man's Search for Meaning. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Man's Search for Meaning was written by Viktor Frankl in 1946. It has sold over 10 million copies and has been translated into 24 languages. According to a survey conducted by a Book of the Month Club and Library of Congress, Man's Search for Meaning belongs to a list of the 10 most influential books in the United States. This book chronicles Frankl's experience as a prisoner in the Auschwitz concentration camp during World War II, and described the psychotherapeutic method he used to survive his imprisonment while his parents, brother, and pregnant wife perished. Frankl argues that we cannot avoid suffering, but we can choose how we respond to it, and we can use our experience to move forward with renewed purpose. I highly recommend that everyone read this book. So now, the fourth one is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The successful person has the habit of doing the things failures don't like to do, he observed. They don't like doing them either necessarily, but their disliking is subordinated to the strength of their purpose. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People was written by Stephen Conway in 1989, and since then it was sold more than 25 million copies worldwide. The audio version became the first non-fiction audiobook in US publishing history to sell more than 1 million copies. In this book, Conway argues against what he calls the personality ethic found in many self-improvement books, and he promotes what he calls the character ethic, aligning one's value with universal and timeless principle. Your values govern your behavior while your principles determine the consequences. Conway presents his teaching in a series of 7 habits, progressing from dependence through independence onto interdependence. You will be forever changed by the powerful lessons contained in this book. And now our last book is Awaken the Giant Within. In essence, if we want to direct our lives, we must take control of our consistent actions. It is not what we do once in a while that shapes our life, but what we do consistently. Awaken the Giant Within was written by Tony Robbins in 1991 and has sold over 2 million copies since then. In this book, Robbins provides a step-by-step program teaching the fundamental lessons of self-mastery that will enable you to discover your true purpose, take control of your life, and harness the forces that shapes your destiny. Robin argues that it is not what we do once in a while that shapes our life, but what we do consistently. In essence, if we want to direct our life, we must take control of our consistent actions. If you are looking for a blueprint that you can follow to start taking control of your life and improving your relationship, work, and finances, this book is for you. So friends, that's all for today. When you consider what makes a personal development book powerful, you come to realize that all books are personal development book in some ways, because each books come with lessons whether you actively look for them or not. It does not have to just be non-fiction. Some of the most powerful lessons I have learned have come from fictional stories. So, as you navigate through this list, know that the information you seek can arrive in many different forms. It is my humble request to you, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel first, because it gives a motivation and support to make such more interesting content just for you. It really takes you a few seconds to hit the subscribe button, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell us in the comments if you want to know more of them. Till then, stay tuned to our channel for more such content. I hope that you all enjoy watching this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.